Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Chime to Cash App. So in order to transfer Chime to Cash App, the first thing that you need to do is to simply link your Chime debit card with Cash App. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application, and once you are on this type of page, you need to tap on this home icon or this money tab in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page where you just have to scroll down and then you need to click on the option of linked banks. Now in the linked banks option, you need to select the option of link debit card. After that, you need to provide your debit card details such as your debit card number in this section, and then you need to press add card in the bottom. After that, you will have to provide your Chime debit card's expiration date, CVV and zip code, and then you need to click on add card again in the bottom. Once done, you will have to follow further on-screen instructions, and then you will be redirected on this linked banks account page where you are going to see your debit card in the top. Now once you have successfully linked your Chime card with your Cash App card, it's time to transfer your money. For that, you will have to come to the money page in your Cash App, and here you will have to click on the option of add cash. After that, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where you can either select the amount given on the page or you can even enter your own amount. If you want to enter your own amount, then you will have to click on these three dots, and then you just have to enter the amount in this section and then press add. After that, you will be asked to confirm your cash pin, so you will have to provide your cash pin details and then press done. Once you have done that, you will be shown on the final page where you will be shown this prompt that you have successfully added this much amount to your Cash App, and this is how you can easily transfer from Chime to Cash App. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.